You search for how to buy shares of Syndax Pharmaceuticals Inc. So in this short guide, I will explain the steps. Syndax is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SNDX. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SNDX to find Syndax Pharmaceuticals Inc. Verify the company name and exchange to make sure you have the correct listing before proceeding. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for the stock. Confirm the listing shows Syndax Pharmaceuticals Inc. on NASDAQ, so you are looking at the right security. To place an order, select Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order depending on settings, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your Syndax position will appear in your portfolio. For a direct link to the example platform, check the description below.